Good morning, guys. So last class, what I have discussed here, nothing but just we have started about language fundamentals. So here within language fundamentals, we are having this. These are the respective concepts. One is tokens. Second one is data types. So third one is typecasting. Fourth one is Java statements. Fifth one is arrays. Okay, so last class we already done with tokens. So nothing but here within tokens we discussed about some of the concepts here. Nothing but tokens are again divided into subparts. So one is identifies, second one is literals, third one is keywords and reserved words, fourth one is operators. Okay, so tokens are again divided into subparts. So one is identifiers, literals, keywords and reserved words, and last one is operators. Okay, last class we already done with this respect to identifiers concept. So within identifiers we have seen this respect to rules, what are the rules which we are having. Okay, so now let me discuss about one more concept within tokens, that is nothing but a literals here. Okay. So first of all, what is a literal? Okay, literal is a constant which is assigned to the Java programming variable here. There is nothing but what is exactly literal. Literal is a constant which is assigned to the Java programming variable. Okay, so first of all, let me represent one numeric value in our Java programming. So nothing but int a is equal to 10. So nothing but just we are representing one numeric value in our Java programming here. Okay, this int is nothing but what we are calling as a data type. This is nothing but variable, or even we can call it as an identifier. So this 10 what we are calling as an constant or literal value. Constant or literal value. Okay, anything is fine. So and equals nothing but what we are calling as an operators, and this semicolon, this is nothing but a special symbol or terminator. Okay, so nothing but we need to discuss about this one. This is nothing but what we are calling as a literal here. Okay, so what is a literal here? Literal is a constant which is assigned to the Java programming variable here. So next one is how many types of literals we are having. Nothing but types of literals. So first one is integer literals. Second one is floating point literals. Third one is character literals. Fourth one is Boolean literals, and fifth one is string literals. So how many types of literals we are having here? So first one is integer literals, floating point literals, character literals, boolean literals, and last one is string literals here. Okay, so here integer literals means nothing but int, byte, long, these things comes under integer literals here. So floating point literals means float and double. So these things comes under floating point literals. So character literals is nothing but a char data type, and boolean literals means boolean data type, and string literals is nothing but a string data type. So these are the types of literals which we are having here. Okay, so now within this respective literals concept, we are having one more concept which is a small concept. So that is nothing but number systems in Java. So what is the concept here? Number systems in Java. So first of all, how many number systems we are having? Okay, first of all, how many number systems we are having here? So first one is binary number system. So that is nothing but base 2. Second one is octal number system. So that is nothing but base 8. And third one is decimal number system. So base 10. And last one is hexadecimal number system. So base 16. Okay, so these are the number systems what we are having. So first one is binary number system, that is nothing but base 2. Octal number system, that is nothing but base 8. So decimal number system base 10, and last one is hexadecimal number system base 16 here. So out of these number systems, right, what are the number systems which you are having? So decimal number system is nothing but default number system in our Java programming. Okay, so which number system is the default number system in our Java programming here? Nothing but decimal number system is nothing but default number system in our Java programming. Okay, so first of all, let me discuss about this binary number system. So what is our first number system here? Nothing but binary number system. So first of all, how can we represent a number as a binary number system here? Okay, so if you want to represent a number as a binary number system, right, then we have to prepare the number by using the symbols like zeros and ones. Zeros and ones, it should be prefixed with 0b or 0b. Prefix means it has to starts with. Okay, prefix means it has to starts with. Okay, either small b or capital B. I mean 0b or 0b. That's it. This is the binary number system here. So what is binary number system here? if we want to represent a number as a binary number system, right, then we have to prepare the number by using the symbols like zeros and ones, and even it has to starts with 0b or 0b. That's it. Okay, now based upon this respect to binary number system, so we can see some examples here. Okay, so first one, this one is invalid. So in normal programming it is a valid here, but according to binary number system it is an invalid. Here what is the precondition here? Compulsory it has to start with so 0b or 0b. So that is the reason it is an invalid. So this one is valid and this one is valid and this one is also valid or invalid? Invalid, because it ends with 2. So that is the reason why it is an invalid here. Okay, so here we are having some important note point is there. So we are having some different versions of Java, right? So we are having some different versions of Java. Generally we are using some Java 6, Java 7 and latest Java 8 also. Okay, so here binary number system is not supported in Java 6 version, nothing but it is a new feature in Java 7 version. Okay, from Java 7 version only it is supporting binary number system. I mean Java 7, Java 8, above Java 7 it is supporting here. Okay, that is nothing but a binary number system. Okay, this is the important note point here. What is the important note point here? So in Java 7 nothing but binary number system is a new feature from Java 7 version onwards. Okay, that's it. These things comes under binary number system, right? So what about one more number system which we are having? Nothing but second one is octal number system. So that is nothing but base 8. Okay, so how can we represent a number as an octal number system here, right? If you want to represent a number as an octal number system, right, then we have to prepare the number by using the symbols like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and even it should be prefixed with zeros here. So prefix means it has to starts with, so compulsory the respective number has to starts with 0. Okay, so these things comes under octal number system here. So what is octal number system? If you want to represent a number as an octal number system, right, then we have to prepare the number by using the symbols like 0 to 7 and it has to prefix it with zeros here. Okay, these things comes under octal number system. Okay, so let me define some examples on octal number system. Okay, so first one is invalid, second one is valid or invalid? Valid, this one is valid and this one is invalid because it ends with 8. Okay, that is the reason why it is an invalid here. Okay, so these things comes under octal number system here, right? So what is the one more number system which we are having? Hexadecimal number system. So nothing but base 16. Okay, so if you want to represent a number as an hexadecimal number system, right, so then we have to prepare the number by using the symbols like nothing but 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and also some alphabets, nothing but A B C D E F. Okay, A to F, and it should be prefixed with 0x or 0 capital X, nothing but either small x or capital X here. Okay, so if we want to represent a number as an hexadecimal number system, then we have to prepare the number by using the symbols like 0 to 9 and even some alphabets like A to F, and it has to prefix it with 0x or 0x here. Okay, so based upon this respect to hexadecimal number system, right, so let me mention some examples here. Okay, so here first one is invalid, second one is valid or invalid, valid, third one is valid, this valid, and last one is invalid. Okay, because it ends with G is not supporting as an alphabet, right, it is supporting only from A to F, so that is the reason why it is an invalid here. Okay, so these things comes under number systems in our Java programming here. Okay, so here we are having one more small concept, that is nothing but readability of letters. So what is the concept here? Readability of letters. Okay, so readability of letters means, so within letters just we are improving some more readability here. Okay, and this readability of letters is a new feature from Java 7 version onwards. Okay, so how can we improve this respect to readability of letters? Okay, simple thing, whatever the literal value which you are mentioning, okay, so in the middle of literals, in the middle of literal value, just we have to provide one more symbol called as an underscore symbol. For suppose assume that we are having some long L is equal to 1 2 3 4 6 7. Okay, so if you want to improve the readability of this respect to literal, right, so how can we improve here? Just within literal we have to provide like this 1 2 underscore 34 some underscore 5 6 underscore some 7 like this. Okay, so 1 2 underscore 3 4 underscore 5 underscore 6 underscore 7. So like this we can improve the readability of letters. But what is the output which we are going to get here? Final output is we are going to get is this one only, not this one, because whatever the underscore symbols which you have represented, right, within literal value, these underscore symbols are eliminated at compilation phase of our Java programming. Okay, generally we are having two phases. So if you want to get some output in our Java program means we are having two phases. One is compilation phase and one more thing is an execution phase. Okay, yet which phase these underscore symbols are eliminated here? At compilation phase, not at execution phase. This compilation phase itself, this all underscore symbols, what are the underscore symbols which are represented in our literal value, right, is going to be eliminated here. Okay, so is it exactly eliminating or not? So just we are going to check with one example. Okay, so just I am creating one class with some name as class test. So if you want to run our Java programming, right, so compulsory you have to define a predefined method called as public static void main string args. So just I am creating one literal value, nothing but long L is equal to 1 underscore 23 underscore 45 underscore 677. Okay, so first of all let me save this respect to program. So where I am saving, desktop, nothing but test.java. Okay, so first of all open command prompt. So if you want to get some output in our Java programming, right, we have to do two phases. One is compilation phase and one more thing is an execution phase, right? So first of all, where I have saved this respective program, desktop, right? So let me change this respective directory to desktop, cd desktop. So java c test.java. So comparison phase is done. So within this respective comparison phase only, this all underscore symbols, whatever the underscore symbols which you have represented in our literal value, right? So this all underscore symbols is going to be eliminated, and finally we are doing some execution phase, that is nothing but Java test. That's it. This is the respective final output here. So these things comes under readability of literals. Okay.